In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a task as completed in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so your to-dos move cleanly from in progress to done, helping keep your workspace accurate and up to date. First, open ClickUp and sign into your account. You can use the web app or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, navigate to the space, folder, and list where your task lives. If you're using list view, you'll see your tasks in rows with columns like assignee, due date, and status. If you're in board view, you'll see tasks as cards grouped by status. Either way, locate the task you want to complete. Next, click the small box beside the task's name. This is the checkbox that selects the task. You'll usually find it to the left of the title in list view and on the card itself in board view. Selecting the task ensures you're targeting the right item and may reveal additional options at the top of your screen. If you don't see the checkbox right away, hover your mouse over the task row and it should appear. Now click on status for that task. In list view, the status appears as a colored label in its own column. In board view, the status is the column the card is currently sitting in, and you can also open the task to see the status at the top. Clicking the status opens a menu of all the statuses configured for your workflow. This is helpful because every team can have different stages like to do, in progress, review, and more. From the status menu, click on complete. It's often shown with a green color or a checkmark icon. The moment you select complete, the task's status updates. In list view, you might see the label change and the task become dimmed or show a check mark. In board view, the card may move automatically to the completed column. This update helps your team's dashboards, reports, and automations stay accurate, and it can trigger notifications for watchers who follow that task. If you selected the wrong task or changed your mind, just click the status again and choose the previous stage to undo. And if you don't immediately see complete in the list, scroll through the status options. Some workspaces have many stages. That's it. Log in, select the task with the checkbox, click its status, and choose complete. Keep this flow in mind, and you'll keep your ClickUp clean, organized, and reflective of real progress.